Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be doing the unboxing and a quick overview of a compact and lightweight gaming laptop from HP. It is HP OMEN Transcend 14. Let's get started. To begin, let us open the box. OMEN Go Beyond is written here. Next, we get the laptop. Let me keep it aside. Then, this pouch. Inside, it has some papers such as warranty information. It has got 140-watt USB-C power adapter and a power cord. Now, let me remove the covers and take a closer look at the shadow black colored HP OMEN Transcend 14. Other color options are also available. The first impression, it is lightweight and compact. Feels sturdy in hand. It is just 19 mm at the thickest part at the back and weighs around 1.6 kg. This is the lightest and slimmest gaming laptop I ever used to date. In spite of that, it packs powerful specifications. This includes Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor, 1 TB of SSD, 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM, 14-inch 2.8K 120Hz UWVA OLED display with 400 nits of brightness, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 8GB graphics and 6L 71 Wh battery. As far as the ports, the left has Thunderbolt 4 USB-C port and 3.5 mm audio combo jack. On the right side, it has two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports. The back has a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports and HDMI 2.1 output. Both of these have DisplayPort 1.4 support for connecting to the monitor. For cooling, it has rear vents for air ventilation. It uses Intel's hyperbaric design that creates a pressurized zone over the internals for direct heat exchange with the rear vents. So you will not get the hot air from the sides on your hand. The 140-watt USB-C charger can charge this laptop 6L 71 Wh battery up to 50% in just 30 minutes. OLED display panel mesmerizes. It has got 14-inch 2.8K OLED display panel with 400 nits of brightness and up to 120 Hz of refresh rate. It renders perfect black, fast response time and high color gamut. Whether you are a gamer or content creator, you will get powerful performance at compact size. For wireless connectivity, it features the latest Wi-Fi 7 and built-in NPU to accelerate AI workloads. Coming to the keyboard, it has unique keycaps from HyperX. The transparent borders show vibrant colors and look beautiful to the eyes. It is comfortable to type on this keyboard. The keyboard has 4 zones of lighting, with WSD being the one. The lighting can be controlled through the built-in OMEN Gaming Hub software. The touchpad feels smooth and works well. You can buy this laptop from the official online store. The link is provided in the description. That's it for this video on quick overview of HP OMEN Transcend 14. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you find this video informative.